Hello student, today I teach biology class 12 unit first reproduction. Reproduction is a very important phenomenon. All the living organisms grow old with time and ultimately die. In fact, every living organism remains alive on the earth for a limited period of time and then dies. So new organisms have to produce in a place of those who die. The definition of reproduction is the production of new organisms from the existing organisms of same species is known as reproduction. In most simple words, we can say that reproduction is the creation of new living things from the existing living things. Actually, one of the most important characteristics of living organisms is their ability to reproduce more members of their species. Reproduction is essential for survival of species on this earth. So living organisms produce more organisms so their kind to maintain the life of their species on the earth. The process of reproduction ensures continuity of life on the earth. For example, human beings reproduce by giving birth to babies, sons and daughters. These babies grows and ultimately become adult. So when the old parent die, their sons and daughters keep living on this earth. These son and daughter also reproduce by giving birth to more babies, and the process goes on and on. Thus, reproduction by human beings ensures that the human species will continue to exist on the earth for all the time to come. So, similarly, cat reproduce by giving birth to kittens so that their species may live forever, and dog reproduce by getting birth of puppies so their species may continue to live on the earth. Most of plants reproduce by producing seed to grow more plant so that their species may continue to live on this earth. So reproduction give rise to more organisms with the same basic characteristics as their parent. For example, human beings always produce human babies, cat always produce kittens, and sunflower seed always produce sunflower plant. If, however, some species of the living organisms cannot reproduce due to certain reason, then the organisms of this species will gradually die out and disappear from the earth one day. So this is reproduction and their importance and need. Now, types of reproduction. Types of reproduction, you know very well, there are two types of reproduction. First is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, and second is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. The main characteristics of asexual reproduction is only one parent is needed. Only one parent is needed in asexual reproduction. The daughter or progeny or offspring is same or exact copy, same or exact copy or clone of his parent. And cell division type mitosis is occurs. Mitosis type cell division occur in asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two parents is required and one more character. There is no gamete formation. There is no gamete formation occur in asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, there are two parents are needed, one male, two parents are needed. One male, one female. The offspring or progeny are not same as parent. Offspring or progeny are not exact of parent. They are different from parent. Cell division. Both type of cell division occur in sexual reproduction, that is mitosis and meiosis. And gamete formation occur. Gamete is formed in sexual reproduction. So this is characteristics feature of asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now types of asexual reproduction. Types of asexual reproduction is first type is fission. Fission is two types. First, binary fission. Second, multiple fission. First, binary fission found in binary fission. Bi means two. So example of binary fission, most common example is amoeba. When amoeba mature, its nucleus is divided into amoeba. This type amoeba mature. Its nucleus is divided. First, nucleus is divided in two halves. Then cytoplasm is also divided. And one nucleus here and one nucleus here. And then two daughter amoeba are formed. Amoeba is called immortal. Because all body of amoeba is used for its reproduction. So there is no death. So it is called immortal. Multiple fission. Binary fission is also found in Euglena. In Euglena, a transverse binary fission is found. This is flagella of Euglena. Here, transversely, this nucleus is divided transversely, and then two euglena are formed by this type of contraction. Two euglena then form two euglena, which is same copy of parent euglena. Two daughter euglena are formed, and paramecium also found binary fission. Paramecium and paramecium also found binary fission. In paramecium, the nucleus is divided transversely, and two new paramecium are formed by binary fission. Two new paramecium are formed by binary fission. So this is binary fission. Now the multiple fission. Second type of fission is multiple fission. Multiple fission is found in Plasmodium, which is malarial causal organism. Plasmodium is a spore which is cause malaria. When a multiple fission occur in Plasmodium, one cyst is formed. This is cyst, and this is cell wall of Plasmodium, and this is nucleus. The nucleus is then divided in multiple nucleus, and mass of cytoplasm is also contain all nucleus, and new plasmodium are formed under the cyst. New plasmodium spore are formed under the cyst. After formation of plasmodium spore, the cyst is disappear, and all new plasmodium are released and survive. So this is multiple fission in Plasmodium. Multiple fission also found in amoeba. In amoeba, nucleus multiply in multiple number. Amoeba multiply in multiple number, and then cytoplasm is also contained, and more amoeba is given out by multiple fission. This is amoeba, multiple fission in amoeba. One new type of fission is plasmogamy. Plasmogamy is a one type of plasmogamy. In plasmogamy, the organism is multinucleate. Multinucleate organism produce more multinucleate organism. This is called plasmogamy. More nucleus is found in those organisms, so they produce more nucleate organism. This is called plasmogamy. So this is plasmogamy. Next is budding. Second type of asexual reproduction is budding. Budding means to produce a outgrowth of organism, like yeast. Yeast is an example of budding. When yeast is mature, its body surface has a outgrowth. This is called bud. This is called bud. Then bud grow and nucleus is also developed on bud and detached from the parent organism or parent yeast and live independently. So it is example of budding in yeast. The most common example you know very well, hydra, found in ocean. In hydra, budding is also found. Hydra is body, tentacles, When hydra is mature, hydra body surface has outgrowth, and this outgrowth after some time grow and after growth tentacles also develop, and tentacles are develops, and this new hydra is detached from parent and new hydra is produced. This is body. Next is fragmentation. Fragmentation is a type of asexual reproduction found in Spirogyra. This type of Spirogyra found in, it is aquatic animal and it is algae. This is found in ocean, lakes, pond, river. When Spirogyra is break down in 2 or 3 pieces, then all the fragment or part is form a new Spirogyra. There is 3 pieces and 3 Spirogyra are formed. 3 like a parent. 3 Spirogyra are formed, which is like a parents. 3 Spirogyra is formed. So this is fragmentation. Next one is regeneration. Regeneration. Generation. Regeneration is a type of asexual reproduction in which damaged part of any living beings is reproduced by this type of asexual reproduction called regeneration. Example, planaria. Planaria is a flatworm. This type of planaria. This is flatworm. This is tail. This is head. If tail or head is disappear or damaged, then this tail are reproduced by this damaged tail or head are reproduced and form new planaria, or one part of this tail or head or middle part form new planaria. Here the part of organism form whole body of organism. So damaged part is repaired by the organism and one part is reproduced by whole body parts of organism. So planaria here, three planaria are formed by this three parts called regeneration. In lizard, you know very well, the lizard tail when this cut down, new tail are arises by regeneration. So this is regeneration. Next is next is vegetative spirulation. 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 Spirulation I discuss next video.